So let me quickly show you some of the thumbnail that YouTube AI generated for me automatically for free. Look at them. You can see this thumbnail. Look at another one. Look at another one. These are thumbnails generated by YouTube AI. Can you see them? High definition. High definition. So if you're having troubles designing your thumbnail, consult YouTube AI. It will do that for you and for free. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate high quality thumbnails for your YouTube channel and your YouTube videos. In case you cannot design your own thumbnail, you're having difficulties. Now, I'm going to show you a simple trick you must apply in order to generate high quality thumbnail for your YouTube videos. And this thumbnail are going to increase your click-through rate. Your CTR is going to improve drastically. So if you are ready, let's go. Step number 1, tap on YouTube in your browser, and once it opens, you see these 3 dotted lines. Tap on it, then tap on these 3 dotted lines, then scroll down and make sure desktop site is selected. You can do this on your mobile phone, you can do this on your iPad, you can do this on your pad, you can do this on your laptop. Tap on desktop mode. Okay, then after that you tap on your channel logo or your icon. Tap on it, then you tap on YouTube Studio. Select YouTube Studio. It will take you to your dashboard. Okay, now you are in your dashboard. You want to change your thumbnail. I'm going to do that tutorial later, but this one you want YouTube to generate your thumbnail for you. YouTube now has an inbuilt AI system that can generate your thumbnail for you. So if you want to do that, imagine I want to generate this particular thumbnail, this one. You tap on the video. Okay, then copy the title of the video, copy it, then you see this icon here. Can you see it? This icon, tap on it. Now you want to engage YouTube Studio, the AI, inbuilt AI, to generate the thumbnail for you. Hence, you will not type generate 3 high quality thumbnail from my YouTube video that will improve click-through rates 15% plus. Okay, then you are going to type generate the best video title. You now put it in quotation. Okay, put your video title in quotation and paste, then you okay it. Now for the image, now if you want YouTube to automatically pick the subject image from your video, then you leave it this way. Okay, but if you want YouTube to use your own image, then you instruct it on the kind of image it's going to use as the subject. Is that one clear? Please, you can instruct it with that. We're going to do that later, but for this, let's generate. Once you are done with this, you hit generate. Before I hit generate, let me copy this, then I hit generate. So you give it some time. It will take some minutes. Okay, you wait until it is complete. Now our thumbnail is ready. Can you see it? You can see the first one that has been generated. You can see there's no image of any human here. Can you see it? Very high definition. Let me tap on it to download. Then you will see that it is 1.39 MB. You can see it's high definition. You download it. Then let's scroll to the next one. This is the second one. Can you see it? High definition. You download. Then you move to the third one. This is the third one. Can you see it? You hit download. Now you can see that this did not capture the singular face of a human. Can you see? YouTube Intelligent just automatically generated this thumbnail. So please note that it will generate this thumbnail based on the content, the visual content of your video. It will scan through your video and then choose the best image that best depicts your thumbnail. So that's what it's going to use in generating your thumbnail. But if you want to now include your own subjects, then here we're going to still regenerate this. I'm going to give it an instruction now. Let's see what YouTube has generated for us. Can you see? Can you see it now? That generated this for us. I told you it's going to scan through your content, your visual, and then it will use your visual to generate your image. So you can see what has been generated. Let me quickly download and save, and then we are good to go. So please take note of the following. For YouTube to be able to do this for you, you make sure that your video is public. The visibility is set to public. Make sure you have published the video. Then you can try this out. If not, you are going to be obtaining some error. Then once you hit generate, do not leave the window. Do not minimize. If you minimize, you experience some errors from that. So you leave the window open and then you wait for the thumbnail to be generated for you. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I hope this increases your click-through rate. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do that. Every tutorial we're going to carry out here is going to be on mobile phone or mobile tutorial. Please subscribe for more.